Thanks so much for staying with us. Taking a live look outside on the CorwinAuto.com Valley Sky Cam, part of the Storm Team Skycam network. Looking off towards the east-northeast, and that shower about to go right between Dilworth and Glendon, and both areas may get a little bit of rain, but it looks like the heaviest part of that shower will pass right in between. 68 degrees here in Fargo. Winds out of the north-northwest at 18 miles per hour. Peak wind gust here in Fargo, 47 miles per hour. The strongest wind of the day, Troy Lakes Airport, 58-mile-per-hour wind gusts earlier on. 64 up in Langdon, 61 in Bemidji, 70 the warm spot in the Goyner area. Those winds, they remain strong, but they've been slowly subsiding as we've gone through the afternoon hours. They'll get down around 5 to 15 miles per hour with some stronger gusts tonight. Tomorrow they pick up again with some gusts over 30 miles per hour. Still a bit of cloudiness out there, still a few showers, and not seeing a whole lot of lightning any longer, but it's still a few showers out there in that one. Again, about to pass between the Dilworth and Glendon areas with a brief bout of heavy rain. Across the northern plains, some strong thunderstorms and even severe thunderstorms over parts of central and southern Minnesota. And across the national map, some showers and storms across the southwest and across the Great Lakes area. A couple of severe thunderstorm watches lined up there and several severe thunderstorm warnings in that area. Out in the Atlantic, there is Irma, Hurricane Irma, Category 4 storm. Moving off towards the west at 13 miles per hour. Peak winds 130 miles per hour, about 490 miles east of the Leeward Islands, and the northern Leeward Islands right about there. They're in a hurricane warning, and the general path is going to be off towards the west and the northwest over the next several days. And a lot of models having it turning to the right somewhere near Florida. Some have it east of Florida, some have it over Florida, some have it west of Florida. The question is, when does it make the turn? And that'll play a big part on who, if anyone, gets impacted in the U.S. For us, we've got the showers around. Those are going to get on out of here as we head through the overnight hours, and those winds will diminish. We'll see some mostly clear skies and could see a few areas across the northern valley getting down into the mid to upper 30s. So we could see a little bit of very light patchy frost across the far north. The rest of us not going to have to deal with that other than some chilly temperatures. Tomorrow, we're going to see some cloudiness, especially east of the Red River, and along with that, maybe an isolated shower or two off towards the west, more sunshine. But it's going to be another windy one with those winds gusting over 30 miles per hour. Here in Fargo, we'll start off today with temperatures in the upper 40s. It's going to be a slow warm up by lunchtime, only getting into the low 60s, and later on in the day, breezy to windy conditions and high temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. Picture of the day, a Lake 7 sunset, and a hazy one at that in Frazee. Thanks to Sarah for sending that, and going to use that as the backdrop to our 7-day forecast. Tomorrow, sunny, but not very warm. A bit warmer on Wednesday, much warmer Thursday and Friday. Over the weekend, back into the 80s with just an ever small chance for some showers and storms as we head through late Sunday and early on Monday.
So we're talking frost in the morning, and then we're going to see 80s later?
Yeah, better chance for frost tomorrow night over parts of the northern valley. Would not be surprised to see a frost advisory for parts of the area, but yeah, back into the 80s, so it's not going to stick around very long.
Okay, thanks, Robert.
You got it.
And the first official weekend of college football is back in the books. Beth has updates from the Bison and Fighting Hawks a little bit later in sports. And after the break, what some local veterans are doing to help Harvey victims. Stay with us.